Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the outside temperature reading on your Chevy Silverado seems inaccurate or isn't updating properly, the ambient temperature sensor may need to be reset. Temporary electrical glitches, sensor interruptions, or recent repairs can sometimes cause the Chevy Silverado to display incorrect temperature information. Fortunately, many of these issues can be resolved with a simple reset procedure and a short drive. Before replacing any components, it's worth trying a few basic steps that may help the system recalibrate itself. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy methods that may help you reset the ambient temperature sensor on your Chevy Silverado. Try these. Step 1. Park the Chevy Silverado safely and switch off the ignition. Step 2. Leave the Chevy Silverado powered down for several minutes. Step 3. Restart the Chevy Silverado and allow the electronic systems to initialize. Step 4. Verify that the ambient temperature display on the Chevy Silverado is active. Step 5. Drive the Chevy Silverado for a short distance to allow the sensor to recalibrate. Step 6. Confirm that the Chevy Silverado is displaying the outside temperature accurately again.